Hello everyone. In this video, as I said, I am going to discuss about logarithmic functions. So how this thing is coming? Suppose a to the power y is equals to x. So using logarithmic function, we can write log x to the base a is equals to y. So very clearly we should know the domain and range of this logarithmic function. So domain of this function is all non-negative. Domain of this function is all non-negative real numbers, and that is to 0 to infinity. We are not going to calculate 0 here because this 0 will be undefined if x is equals to 0. Now what will be range of this function? Range of this function is any real number. So again I have three cases over there. So what are those three cases? The first case is if my a is greater than 1. So if a is greater than 1, then y equals to log x to the base a. This function will be of three types. This will be less than 0 if x is in between 0 and 1. This will be equals to 0 if x is equals to 1. Just try to put the value. If it is x equals to 1, then log 1 is equals to 0. That's why it's becoming 0. And this will be equals to greater than 0 if x is greater than 1. So if I will draw the graph of this, the graph will look like this. Just put the value, you will understand these things. Now further if I proceed, and then I will write this that a is less than 1. So for a is less than 1 but a is greater than 0. The value of a should not be less than 0, that cannot be negative. So that time the y equals to log x to the base a. This thing will be of three types. First, if it will be greater than 0 when x is in between 0 and 1, this will be equals to 0 when x equals to 1, and this will be less than 0 when x is greater than 1. So you can clearly understand, if I draw the graph for this function, the graph will be look like this. The opposite direction it will go, and 1 it will meet. So this will be the graph of the second case. This will be the graph of the second case, and this will be the graph of the first case. So further if I will proceed and discuss the formula for logarithm. So formula for logarithm, if I will discuss, the first formula we have, that is log 1 to the base anything, that is equals to 0. Second one we should have that log a to the base a, that is equals to 1. Third formula log of xy to the base a, that is equals to log x plus log y. The fourth formula, that is log of x divided by y to the base a, that is log x to the base a minus log of y to the base a. This is the fourth formula. For all these cases we are going to use the modulus value because we don't know the value of this variable. So better if we use the modulus value. The fifth formula log of x to the power n to the base a. The n will go outside, that will become log x to the base a. The sixth formula, that is, now I am just going to go a bit tougher now, log x to the power m to the base a to the power n. So that formula will be m divided by n log of x to the base a. Seventh formula if I am going to discuss, that is x to the power log y to the base a. That we can also write it as y to the power log x to the base a. This is my seventh formula. Further if I will proceed for all the formulas, next one that will write log of b to the base a, we can write as log b divided by log a, and we can create any of our choice base. Okay, so this is also known as base change formula. We have another form of base change formula that I am going to write right now, that is log of b to the base a is equals to log of b to the base c into log of c to the base a. Just check over there, only log of b to the base a, I just wrote it like this. If I just combine these two formula, okay, just 1 minute. So next formula, log of b to the base a, I can write as 1 divided by log of a to the base b also. Just check, if I just create this formula using this log b by log a and then create log b to the base b. Log b to the base b, that will be equals to 1 by using second formula. Hence this one will become 1 divided by this. Similar concept I can use in this. So formulas. Okay, one more thing we need the next formula in calculus later part a lot, that is log, sorry, not this is not exactly the formula for log, but the formula is involved log. So a to the power log x to the base a to the power log x to the base a, if these two are of the same thing, this is also a, this is also a, so that time the answer will be only x. So these are all the formulas for log we have. So just we should apply the formula in different times and we can able to solve the sum. And for all the logarithmic sum, you can check the video of logarithmics, there you will find the sum of logarithm. Thank you.